Good morning, good morning. I'm in my office. It is Friday and it is day 1 of week 5 of BTHQ Banter. Today's a slightly different day. We have week 3 of our 3-week beginners sewing course this morning, but it's also the last Friday of the month, which means it's craft club. So unit 2 is open for anybody who wants to come and bring a project and just crack on, drink a cup of tea, have a natter for 3 hours. Now normally on a Friday we're open all day, but today we're closing at 12:30 because tonight is the night of my 40th birthday party. And so I want to go home. I'm going to go and have some lunch with Mr. Mac and then spend the afternoon getting ready for the party. But that also means that we are closed this weekend. I had tried to get some additional tutors to come in and teach classes for us this weekend, but realistically both myself and a lot of my clients will be at the party. So I would imagine no one's going to be in any fit state to be doing any kind of crafts tomorrow. So let's see how the day takes us. Marks and Spencer's porridge with berry compote. So slightly healthier breakfast this morning, but it tastes exactly like rice pudding, which isn't a bad thing because I like rice pudding, but if you're looking for porridge, porridge is not what you're going to get. So the ladies have completed their bags. They are all done before we move on to our next project. There we go, ladies. So let's do the focus. Alison. There we go. Jackie and Tina, Sandra, Lee, Claire. Give us a twirl, ladies. Show us your bags. Yeah, ta-da! Beautiful. How are you feeling?
Brilliant. Good.
Excellent. So you ready to make cushion covers?
Yes.
We're going to insert zips now.
Oh.
Got Alison and Mum sitting in the lounge. What are you knitting, Mummy?
I'm doing a hat for my grandson.
Your grandson? My son?
You never wear it.
Probably not.
Lose it the first time he wears it.
Wouldn't surprise me. And Alison's doing a blanket for who?
Battersea Dog's Home.
Battersea Dog's Home. Ah. So they're happily knitting away. Wow. The ladies are putting the final finishing touches to their cushion covers. How are your zips, ladies?
Straight as a what's it.
Straight as a what's it. Love it. Good morning. So it's Tuesday. I wasn't in yesterday, Monday, so we didn't have our normal admin day because we were closed all weekend. So there was no tidying up or sorting to do. That, and I ventured to the dentist for the first time in 12 years. I know, I'm terrible. Anyway, so today is Tuesday. There's no classes today. There's classes this evening. But I have a meeting with our web development lady, which is very exciting. So we're looking at taking more stuff online and sorting out our 2 websites, and lots of sorting out to do. Typically this morning, not only is the boiler not working at school, so Izzy isn't at school, she's gone to a friend's house, but also I've just sat in over 20 minutes of solid traffic getting into work this morning, so I'm now running late. Hence I'm sitting talking to you in the car ever so quickly before I park my car, because I have a suspicion the lady that I'm meeting is already waiting outside the office. Well, that was exciting. I didn't get any video, but the lovely Babs has been with me all morning and we have been discussing grand plans for my website. I'm not going to go into any detail here at all, but it's all really exciting stuff, and you will hopefully get to see it very, very soon. So it's 1:30. I have an hour and a bit before I need to go and pick Izzy up from her friends, and I need to set up for tonight's class as well as do a few little runny aroundy admin tasks, which I'm afraid is not going to be very exciting for you to watch, but we'll see if we get anything. If we do, great. If we don't, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Wednesday. It is 10:30. I'm a little bit late in this morning, but I took the opportunity for a cheeky nail appointment to get the talons looked at before I go away next week. Now, looking here next to me, there are 2 cars parked outside work. One of them is Carol's, so I know she's come in early, so she's been able to open up. She's a knitting teacher, so that the lounge can be open. The other one is Elspeth's, so it looks like we may have a sneaky visitor for the day. cheeky people on the couch. We have a Helen as well.
Yes.
So I've just been up to chat to the ladies in the lounge and seen a little pot on the table, and it's full of really cunning little things. Let me show you. So if you're knitting cable, you can just pop it on your finger. It's like a little ring, and you pop your cable needle in, so you don't have to keep putting it down on the table. So you carry on doing your knitting, pull your little cable needle out and do your cables. Now Carol is mad. She's knitted all of these for us. She's popped a little note on the table to say a suggested donation to the Mind charity, 50p. 50p! Bargain. It's a suggested donation, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think you need me to tell you what my opinion is of her 50p. So I've just been having a little play and developed another class. Last week it was the bow tie, and this week it's our hide and seek pillow. So I'm going to show you what it's all about, basically. So this will have a little laminated list with it telling you what's inside, but basically you're going to squidge all these little beans until you find a Lego brick. And what else can you find? Doing this one-handed. See, I know what that is. That's a button. And a book. And a teddy bear. So I initially thought this would be a really good class for people who wanted to make something for their children, to like keep their attention for half an hour if they were somewhere where they couldn't maybe watch telly or do some kind of outside running around and they needed to be kept quiet. But actually, after discussing it with the ladies, we reckon it would be really good in like old people's homes, people with dementia, anybody who suffers with anxiety, just wanted something to just calm them down, a bit like a fidget spinner I suppose, which is useful for all different purposes. So I think it's going to be a great class. I'm going to launch it here first as an in-person class, but I'm also going to take it online and do it as one of our online classes too. So it's now 12:30. The lovely Tim will be arriving in just a minute. So we'll see what he has in store for me today. In the meantime, I think today is the busiest day that we've had so far in the lounge. Let me show you. Look, we've got 5 bodies in the lounge now. We've got Leslie, Elspeth, Helen, Denise and Carol, all busy knitting and crocheting away.
And eating lunch.
And eating lunch. That's right, you can do what you like up there. It's your space. Yeah.
We got this.
Oh, these have been in the washing machine.
Yeah, they have, sorry.
Ugh. I like mine.
Sorry. Are they a little bit damp still?
Only a little bit.
Sorry about that.
At least they're clean.
Yeah, no, they are. I have
the
to
ones
clean.
that used to blow at the gym were like other people's
Honestly,
sweat.
I have to clean them every week because it's just, otherwise, yeah, that's what I can't stand. Punch up. Right.
That time.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
So we'll go with, we'll do 1, 2, 3. We'll do the top one first with the joker, then we'll do, we'll just do it this order, that'd be fine.
We're doing star jumps.
Do you want to do star jumps or knees to elbow? What
I
would
need
you
to
rather?
lose weight.
So you want to do star
Let's
jumps
do
then?
star jumps.
And it will
I hate
look
them.
good.
Yeah.
It will look sick. Right, ready?
It will look sick,
It will look
did
sick.
you just
It will
say?
look
How
sick.
old are you?
25.
That's why then.
It's bad, isn't it?
It's terrible.
Still bad at 25. So yeah, this is quite embarrassing. Right, 8 jabs when you're ready. 2, 4, 6 and 8. 7 uppercuts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars. 4. And 10 hooks for me for 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and a joker to finish. Let's go. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Good. 18 and 20 hooks for 2, 4, 6. Keep breathing. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Well done. Uppercuts for 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 20 star jumps and you've done your first set. Well done. 4, 5, deep breaths for 6, well done. 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. You are done. Well done.
That is what's called a smash.
A smash.
Just in case you wondered what I was doing, Tim persecutes me with these. This is basically a routine of hooks, jabs, uppercuts and star jumps with jokers, which are 20 of each.
Very hard.
You're a bugger.
Sorry. very, very hard.
So Elspeth and I are going out for a drive in Evie. Elspeth's going to drive and I'm going to record the journey into BTHQ from both directions for our new website, because people do find it quite hard to find us, although we're on the main road. So I figured actually being able to watch a video of how to get to us will be quite helpful. There's a little person in Elspeth's car. This is a little Elspeth that my Izzy made for her. Very cute.
It is very accurate.
Take me to the roundabout, please, Elspeth.
Okay.
Yes.
Would you like to put your safety belt on?
I will.
Please.
I love a spot of fabric Jenga. My pattern's gonna fit, yay! So, top tip, if you probably know this, but if you've decided to play fabric Jenga and see if whatever it is you're making fits on the fabric that you've got, but the fabric is really creased and needs a good press first, what I suggest you do is lay it all out once you're happy with your measurements. Just take a photo of it on your phone so you know how you laid the pieces out. Then give your fabric a good wash and iron and everything else, and then you're ready to lay it out properly. But it also means if you're cutting out of jersey like I am, you don't have to pin it all on. You can just work your way cutting out each of the pieces, but you know you're cutting them out of the right area. It fits on the fabric. Very Jules-esque. The way the pockets are done is very clever as well. There's none of this pocket bag malarkey. Because I read it and I was like, I don't understand why I'm just cutting out a rectangle for a skirt. Surely there should be a pocket bag. No. But they're really clever. So they just do this. You sew them here, right sides together, and then turn it in the right way. So imagine that's sewn up. So then that just does that. So there's your pocket.
Oh, clever.
There's your side seam, and then that just gathers in. Clever, isn't it?
Yeah.
I absolutely love this pattern. I've got a sports bra on underneath and I haven't done the arm cuffs yet. So obviously it's very short, but it's going to have a gathered maxi skirt. So this is the Patterns for Pirates Sunshine dress. So it's the same dress that I used the bodice for to make my dress for our Stitches social. And I loved it, so I thought I'm going to quickly knock one of these up as a summer maxi dress because it'd be perfect for Vegas next week. So everyone's gone home now. Elspeth's gone, Leslie's gone, everyone's gone. So it is 3:30. So I've got about 2 more hours until I need to head home. So I should actually get this finished, which will be really, really nice. So aside from hemming it, as you can see, I need to chop a considerable amount off the bottom. I'm only short. I'm quite pleased with this. It fits really nicely. I will show you in more detail when I do a what I've been sewing in January video. But it's now really about time I went home. I meant to say this morning, thank you for all the love on the last BTHQ banter video. It was really lovely of you. Loads of really interesting comments about how the men in your family like to sew, which was fantastic. Our gentleman sewer did do his first class last night. I'll insert a little boomerang video right here. As you can see, he successfully made his fabric box along with the rest of the people in his class, and I'm reliably informed by Maddie they had a really fun evening, so that's fantastic. Now that's the end of BTHQ Banter week 5. Because tomorrow is Thursday, I'm going shopping with my lovely mum for the day, and then you'll be seeing this on Friday. So I will then start recording again for BTHQ Banter week 6. So thank you for watching, thank you for the love. Please, lots of comments, lots of thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family, and do make sure that you pop over to our Instagram feed as well, because there's all sorts of interesting things happening over there. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you all again soon. Bye.